everyone, Miss Kabumpa here. I'm gonna show you how I did this outfit and cute little makeup look, starting with a red bodysuit. Okay, you're gonna need that. So get yourself a bodysuit, and then get yourself an undershirt because you're gonna use this to sew into that bodysuit so it's not see-through. Then I have this extra fabric. I have some felt fabric. I'm only gonna use red, but I guess I just wanted to show you guys all the felt fabric I had. Anyhow, the first thing I did was cut off the sleeves. You can see that it's not clean, and that's why I'm going to stitch it on the inside. I'm wearing the red undershirt so you guys see like how the undershirt looks like as well before I stitch it. But yeah, I'm going to stitch on the inside like that. Fold it in and it's going to look clean. Alright, and that I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut it horizontally, of course, and then I want to sew it on the inside out because I don't want the shirt to be see-through. See-through clothing is kind of a hassle because now you have to find something that goes with it that you can wear under it. And I could never, it's so hard wearing something under this. It would always have to be a tube top. But what if I don't want to wear a tube top? What if I just want to wear the shirt? But yeah, anyhow, we are marking it now. I just use a Sharpie. It doesn't matter because I know I'm going to cut it from there. Anyhow, now I basically flipped the shirt inside out, flipped that undershirt inside out, and then I sewed it from inside out as well. The way I do it is I use a straight stitch and then for like 3 seconds, reverse stitch for 3 seconds, and then straight stitch and reverse stitch right at the end. And from there, you just cut that extra thread you have. Yeah. And then these were the sleeves that I cut off. I made it a little shorter. I was like, let me make some arm sleeves. So it's not just a boring top. Well, the top isn't even boring. I just made the top more interesting. Really cute. I was actually thinking maybe I could make it gloves, but I don't think I'll have enough finger space because I realized it has to be thick. Anyhow, this is it looks like panties, but this is what's left out of the bodysuit, right? I want to sew it onto, part of it actually, onto the arm sleeves that I'm making. The arm sleeves, I didn't just simply cut it and wear it and I said, there you go. I had to measure my arms and make it fit it. You know the bottom of the bodysuit? That's low-key giving panties. So I used that for the arm sleeves. Just to get that frilly part. And I just think it looks so cute. It is so cute. It's giving. It's very grunge, very rock star, very alternative. I love it. But with my outfit, I made it look very Christmas, very cutesy, very closeted Lydia Dietz. Anyhow, let's get into the red fabric. We're going to use this red felt fabric I got from Dollarama. If you know, you know. And then look at all the excess fabric I have. You need clips. You need clips as well. Clips and a hot glue gun. Okay. So, I got to take a part of the red fabric, right? I cut them out evenly. So, you're going to need like two long rectangles, but not super long. Anyways, I put it together that way. Them facing each other. And then I'm just doing a straight stitch. You guys have seen my straight stitch process many times where I do 3 seconds forwards, 3 seconds reverse stitch, and then I go all the way through and 3 seconds reverse. I basically folded those two pieces together because I needed to make the bow big. I wanted a really big bow that would fit at the back of my curly hair. Folding it this way, funny enough, I swear this is the 3rd time I make a big red bow. I did one for my Sailor Moon look. I did one for my Luffy look. Now I'm doing it for Lydia. You can't tell me that don't look cute. I stitched some of the extra fabric of the red floral onto the bow. And then this is how I tie the bow down. Very simple. After you get that horizontal shaped rectangle, right? All you do is take the middle part of the thread, make it white, Get that grip in there. Tight. You see me holding it down, so it's tight. Tight, tight, tight. Anyhow, I just wrapped it around. Round and around she goes. Wrapped it around because I want it to obviously hold, and I think this looks so freaking cute. And you're gonna see me hot glue the middle piece right after fixing up the bow shape, making sure I love it. Fun facts about this outfit, guys. If I was gonna say at the end of the video, but I'll say it right now since we're literally 6 minutes in. Y'all, I sold this outfit. Oh my gosh, she's selling her outfits now. Yeah, boy. So any outfit I make, even art outfits, whatever it is, I do go to markets and I make little sales. Maybe one day I'll vlog on my markets. But yeah, I sold this outfit. What I did forget was the freaking arm sleeves. I forgot the arm sleeves. So obviously I put it at a discounted price. If it was all together, I think that'd look mad cute. But just the bow in the top is giving. Yeah, I sold this outfit, guys. So proud of myself. So, and since y'all are watching, we're gonna get into the details. Okay, I've always loved fashion. Fashion is my passion. Like, come on. So Bratz coded, which I am. I am a Bratz doll. I love fashion because I think it's so much fun expressing yourself through clothes. And I am a very colorful girl. I love colors. I love unique fashion. Guys, this whole year, I guess I never even said it on the channel. This whole year, I was making my outfits. I am a retired shopaholic. I am a retired shopaholic. Last year, me, if I like something, I'm gonna buy it. Like, as long as it's not a crazy price, right? But this year, me, I remember the year started, it was January, and I got a sewing machine, right? So I said, you know what? No shopping this year. If we're gonna shop, make it like one time. And I shopped one time in May. I was with my cousins. See, if I wasn't with them, I probably wouldn't have bought anything. But I was with them, and you know, I tried some things on. Sometimes I try things on, just try it on. But they're like, nah, that's not cute. You gotta get it. So I got it. Not the peer pressure of shopping. Ain't that crazy? Anyhow, I got like a few things. I spent like $80 at the thrift store. But they were like, you got a good amount of stuff. That's a good steal. And I'm like, I don't know. What if I just made my clothes for free? So, bada bing, bada boom, last year, right? It's October 2023. I went to a thrift by the pound store. I like thrift by the pounds over thrift stores because you can just grab as much clothes you want. They throw it in a bag. You weigh it, and that's how much it costs. I got hella clothes for like $40. Shopping is fun. Obviously, buying clothes is fun, but I don't even go out really. I'm always home. My job's been work from home for many years now. I don't see my friends every day. I wander around in house clothes. I feel like you know the difference between house clothes and outside clothes. House clothes are like really casual stuff, you know?
Hey everyone, it be me, Miss Kabumba. So this is how I look like without doing the Lydia Dietz makeup. So let's get into it. I'm gonna do the makeup.
Okay, wait, I know my outfit's mad cute, but I didn't finish my story. And then outside clothes, those are the ones you look fly in. So I'm always in house clothes. So I had no reason to shop. It wasn't productive to me. But expressing my creativity in making clothes, that's really productive to me. Because now I'm learning more about an industry I love that I see myself working in the future, right? And I get to make these really unique outfits I've never seen anyone wear. Like, you know how hard it is to find like a 3-piece outfit that's actually cute? That's not just giving like a set that you got from a fast fashion website. That's unique. I love that. And then when I got into fashion design, I told myself, I want to make clothes. I want to make outfits. Yeah, I didn't make bottoms to this, but I just wanted to utilize the bodysuit I had, right? So that's why I made the top. And oh my guys, look at the t-shirt. Look at my shoulder real quick. You see how I cleaned up the sleeve like I told you I would? Yeah. I love sewing. Honestly, I feel like everyone should sew. Everyone should learn how to sew for like important reasons. Let's say you don't want to shop too much, you just sew. And then when you sew, it's like, okay, you saved your money and you express your creativity. And then 2, let's say you have like younger siblings or kids and you're like, dang, they got a hole in their clothes or this happened. If you know how to sew, you can fix it up easily. Or boom, let's say you do shop, right? And something doesn't fit you well. Instead of going to someone to alterations, you can fix it yourself quickly. Ooh, and another one, it's a productive hobby. And another one, it allows you to express your creativity. Some creativity you may not even know you had. I feel like there's some people who think they're not creative at all, but if you allow yourself to express your ideas, your creativity can come to life. Yeah, that's why I love sewing. It's a beautiful thing. It really is. And as you can see here, I look freaking good. I love the arm sleeves, love the t-shirt, love the little bow. And now I'm finishing up the base of my makeup. So now we can get into the interesting part. Because if you know me, you know I love makeup. Except I really like crazy makeup looks. By crazy, I mean something that looks a little different. I did a look inspired by like a doll, I guess. But there's a reason for that. I did it because this look is heavily inspired by Lydia Dietz from Beetlejuice. Hello. I actually was going to wear this in the month of like October, but I already had 2 other Halloween costumes and I cosplayed like that whole month. And I did a doll inspired makeup look because I actually filmed this look on Friday the 13th of December. So Friday the 13th gives me spooky vibes. So I hosted a very mini Christmas hangout party with my friends. I call it Creepmas. If you know, you know. I literally celebrated like Halloween 3 times this year. I did a summer Halloween party. I called it Summerween because it reminds me of Gravity Falls. And then I did another one in October because obviously I'm with my friends and we're just wearing costumes. And then I did another one. But to me, Halloween is just an excuse to dress up. I just like dressing up. Of course. That's the only reason I like that season. The base is finally finishing. Also, what do you guys think about the time-lapse makeup? Is it giving? Because I don't think I've ever done time-lapse makeup. I feel like I usually just film the whole process and I don't try to speed through. But the sewing process for this video was already like 9 minutes. If I didn't speed through, yeah, this video wouldn't have been 16. It would have been very long. And I love doing makeup looks. Okay, I'm inspired. I'm doing my makeup today. And then that's gonna be the video that comes out tomorrow. Y'all, should I do my makeup? Because this is coming out today, right? Remember what I said about my 14 days of Christmas? Oh, I just got into 14 days of Christmas. And some of y'all are probably new to my channel because I see the subscribers are going up. Hey everyone, Miss Kabumba here. Oh my gosh. I'm into sewing, so I love fashion. I love cosplay. I love makeup. I love animation and I love art. So I'm challenging myself to do 14 days of Christmas, which is me posting every day of December for like 14 days straight. I started this the 12th. So I'm a little late, but it's okay. Yeah. Oh, and I hope you just enjoying my videos. Thank you for being here. I love y'all. And yeah, just subscribe if you want to see some more of me. Hello. And don't forget to hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you get notified of daily uploads. That's something I ain't never said before. The daily uploads. I am on day 5, and I will get up to day 14. And that will be done hopefully like the 26th or 27th. But you know what? I'm recording a lot and doing a lot right now at this period in my life. So I'm so sorry that I'm not posting exactly every day, but pretty much. Like, you're gonna get 5-6 videos from me in a week. Yeah. And we're on the road to 600, which is pretty freaking dope, if you ask me. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. Anyways, bye. Thank you for watching. I love you.